Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome to the webinar. And what I wanted to share in this webinar is obviously Option Tiger. Many of you have either taken courses on Udemy or on the website itself. Will be we'll be having our. In fact, we are having our Black Friday, Thanksgiving specials, annual specials, really. And just wanted to share some of these very special deals so that you can prepare for a good high performance coming up towards the end of the trading year as well as going into 2026. So if you let me get right to it. If you want to go and see the annual specials, all you have to do is come to the website here, and it's right there on the top under the products menu. And if you click the annual specials, you'll come to this page, and basically Option Tiger has. If you look under the products, we have various things. We have our membership plans. We have proprietary indicators, trading view indicators. So trading view is available for all markets, in the world, pretty much any major market. The Think or Swim indicators is only available on Think or Swim, and that is available only for lifetime license because on TradingView we can do monthly subscriptions and all of that, but on Think or Swim we cannot. Then Option Tiger also has two very successful services, which is one is the swing trading, which is a daily email video and which goes out before the markets, and it will also include all the new trades, any adjustments, any exits, all of that. And then we have a day trading signal, which is a live session, which starts at the market open and goes for anywhere about half an hour. We do a lot of time decay strategies with SPX, with also stocks, but we do the on the SPX we do the 1 day to expiry, 2 days to expiry, that kind of thing. Mostly a lot of iron condors there. But they're simple, they're protected by stop losses and all of that, and the complete methodology is explained once you join the day trading signals. Both of these services are very, very successful. So if you look at our swing service, this is the day trading. Let me come to the swing first. We've been tracking this from 2022. So this is based on a 50K account, and we've been doing consistently about 100 to 200% ROI. So capital used is 50K, and you can see in 2022 we did about 100. 2023 is something similar, a little less, about 150%, 77,000. 2024 is also 200%, 104,000. This year, because of all the tariffs and trade wars and everything, it's been a very choppy market. But we've also been able to do about 120% so far. So that is as far as the swing signal service is concerned. In the day trading, we started this in June, so we are in our 6th month now, and these trades are the ones we have done so far, about 126 trades, and you can see we are up about 36,000. This is also on about a 30K account, so you can consider it as 100% ROI. And so that's these are the two services rather. So if you come back to the products menu, those are the two services. And then of course we have our options education, which is each of these modules, beginner, intermediate, all of them have at least about 15 to 17 courses. You may have seen some of those either on Udemy or on the Option Tiger website itself. We have the intermediate, which goes into option spreads, the VIX, and some technical analysis and all of that. And even in these, you have live trade examples, all of that. Then of course we have our options advanced, which is the more advanced strategies, which will be the iron condors, butterflies, options on futures, and all of that. So all of these advanced strategies are also covered. And finally, we have the options mastery module, which is a collection of 9 max systems, which really gives you the more nuanced techniques and tactics within options. So, how do you approach adjustment of options? How do you do calendars, what is the best way, what are the best practices, and how do you protect your condors and all of that. So weekly options, we take up all of this over here. And then we have our indicators as well. So we have the SPX intraday ticks, which is an intraday kind of an indicator. If you're trading the SPX, SPY, or any of the indices, then we have the proprietary multi-time frame indicator, the custom RSI, and we also have watch list indicators. So I'm going to show some of these indicators both on Thinkorswim as well as a trading view. So here you can see these are the custom indicators. You can see the custom RSI over here, and then the multi-time frame trend. The multi-time frame trend is very interesting because what you see here is a different time frame. So you can see here we have a swing. We have a swing, and all of this is configurable within the studies itself. So you can come here and edit studies, and you go into the multi-time frame, and if you do the settings there, you can set up all these time frames here. So what it gives you is a clear picture of the trend across all of these time frames. So the time frame of the chart itself is the 1 day chart. So therefore that will be the lowest row, and then above all of that, this is the 2 days, this is the 4 days, 3 days, and then 4 days and 1 week. So this gives you a good idea of of the swing trend, because you can get a trend over, so over a week. So here we are. If you can see the SPX, it gives you the trend. So you can see now we've been kind of in a bearish. It's actually been up and down. We've kind of been in a bearish mode on the SPX. We've seen some large volatility. There are some AI valuation concerns in the market, which is weighing down on some of the bigger tech names. So Nasdaq particularly has been very volatile just in the last a week or so. And of course these valuation concerns will come and go. AI could be a bubble, but as of now, lots of money is pouring into it, and there's quite a bit of volatility here. But coming back to the indicators, these are the 5 different time frames that you can get the trend on. And when all 5 of them are aligned, you will see this master level indicator light up. So this is the time it says, okay, now you are in a very bullish mode, or now you're in a very bearish mode, and so you can take these trades confidently. The custom RSI helps you stay in a winning trade. If you know the normal RSI, it tells you when things are overbought or oversold. That has been customized. All of these indicators are proprietary to Option Tiger, and if you once you see the custom RSI go into the bullish zone, it tells you to stay in this trade until it comes out of it. So so you can see, you can catch these nice trends over here from here to here. Here there's a very nice trend, and just because you see a red dot on the lowest level, it doesn't mean you need to get out of the trade. You can still stay in this trade as long as 2 or 3. If once you see 2 or 3, then it's time to get out of the trade. So right now, as you can see, we are in the last 1 week or so, we are in a bearish mode. Today futures are up a little bit, but generally the market has been quite cautious. Now these same indicators are also available on TradingView, and I forgot to mention one thing. Here you can see you have a column. These are the watch list indicators. So whether you're doing day trades or swing trades, you can customize your watch list, and then it will immediately tell you what are the trends. So similarly, you also have something called swing trades, and you can put that as well on a column here. You can add it over there, and let me just move this up a little bit, and then you will see the swing trades column as well. And the swing trades, you can just click on it, and it'll sort it according to that. And very bullish, very bearish, all of that. And so immediately what are the stocks you want to be trading, whether it's the bullish side or the bearish side. So these algos are very powerful. You can first, your goal is to identify what are the trades you want to take. And so the swing trades column or the day trades column tells you which stocks are trending, whether it is to the bullish side or to the bearish side. Once you know which one is trending, you can come over here and you can see. So, for example, here on the swing trades, it shows AMD as very bearish. So, if you come to AMD and if you look at the chart, you can see that it is bearish. And last few days, like I said, all of these AI stocks have been taking a hit, and you can see the multi-time frame indicator is also master level is all bearish. So if you wanted to buy a put option or you wanted to short the stock, I mean, so these indicators not necessarily just for options. You can use it for stocks. You can use it for futures, gold. You can put it. You can use it for any asset class. So even if you see gold, GLD, ETF, it went on a real bullish run over here. You can see, right from here, if you can, once you saw all these indicators aligned and the custom RSI remains in the bullish zone, custom RSI will tell you to stay in the trade as long as long as once it comes out, that's when you can come out of the trade. So it is very powerful. These indicators are very powerful, and they are available for Thinkorswim and TradingView. Thinkorswim is available only as a lifetime license, because Thinkorswim doesn't provide you with a monthly subscription plan and all of that. But TradingView does. So the same thing is implemented on TradingView. So if you can see the multi-time frame indicator here, you can see the custom RSI here, and you can see this watch list. You can configure this watch list to whatever stocks you want. You just have to right click on the indicator, and you will see the settings here, and and then once you can set up your watch list. So all you need to do is replace these ticker symbols with whatever ticker symbols you want, and it will show up here. And then immediately you'll see that all of these, whether it's bearish, bullish, you'll see the column over here, and that will help you to determine which stocks to trade. And once you determine that, you can put that on the chart, and it will show you the trend information. So as you can see here, right now, as I mentioned, we are in a slightly bearish zone. Today, futures are up a little bit, but otherwise you can see some nice trends developing here. This was a good about a week to 10 days kind of a trend there. And you can go back also any amount of time. This is when all the tariffs and everything was going on. So you can see markets crashed over there, but then now it has recovered. And you can catch these trends nicely and move it up. So this works for both a swing trading environment as well as the intraday. So let me show the intraday as well. So this is on the S&P futures, and immediately you'll see the watch list changes to the time frame. So here we have a 1 minute time frame here, and you can see the settings over here: 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute. Once again, you can set those in the settings. As you can see, you can change all of these timings to whatever you want, so that it will show you the trend across 5 different time frames. So that's basically as far as the indicators. Now coming back to our annual specials, what we have is Black Friday, Thanksgiving annual specials. These are the best prices on all Option Tiger products. There's a video here that explains all of that. You can check it out. Your best bet, I would say, is these membership plans, because for one price you can get everything. So the silver plan includes all the options education, which is the complete beginners bundle, intermediate, advanced, mastery bundle. You'll get the swing trading signal subscription as well, the day trading as well, and we have an early bird special by November 30th. You can access all of these in the silver plan for $129 a month. You also have a 6 month payment, and you also have an annual, which will work out to be less than all of the monthly price, obviously. So you can go for that. Then after December 1st, it goes up by a little bit. The silver plan goes up to 149. So your best bet is to catch it before November 30th. That will be our Black Friday kind of a special here. These are the best prices that you'll see on Option Tiger all year. And the other plan that we have is the gold plan, which includes everything in the silver plan, and you also get the 3 indicators on TradingView. So once again, on TradingView, what you'll get is the MTFT, the custom RSI, and the watch list. And the watch list, of course, you can configure it for whatever time frame you want, and you can have separate indicator templates. So you can see I have a US 1 minute, 1 minute intraday. I also look at the Indian market, so I have the Nifty there. So you can put all of them, whichever market you're in, whether you're in Europe, Asia, most markets are represented on TradingView. You may have to pay a small amount for the data. You don't have to pay for the TradingView platform. It's a you can install it for free. But if you want specific country data, you'll have to pay a small fee there. I think it's about $5-6 something. And they also have a Black Friday special going on right now, so that's the best time to catch it. But you'll get all of these indicators. Similarly, on Thinkorswim, the watch list is implemented in a slightly different way. You'll see the watch list here, which is very bullish, very bearish, and all of that. And you also have the same custom RSI and the multi-time frame trend. The only difference being in on Thinkorswim, we don't have a monthly plan or a 6 month plan or an annual plan. It's a lifetime plan. And on Thinkorswim, we also have the SPX ticks as well. So the ticks will tell you when the ticks are only used for intraday, and so it's a cumulative tick of all the S&P 500 stocks, whether they are ticking up or ticking down. And for that, you can see where the ticks are going, and that will give you a good sense of the breadth of the market. But I think for most people, what you need is the MTFT, the custom RSI, and the watch list indicators, and that is provided both on Thinkorswim as well as TradingView. So the gold plan includes everything in the silver plan plus the TradingView indicators. The gold plan goes for 179, which is more than 50% off. We also have a 6 month and a 12 month. And after December 1st, the prices go up a little bit. So the best time to catch it is before November 30th. These are the best prices. So after that, if you here you have if you just want the TradingView indicators, then you also have a 68 dollars per month. You have a 6 month and an annual. Thinkorswim is only lifetime, and then after December 1st, the prices go up a little bit there as well. So these are the indicators. If you want just the indicators individually, you can do that as well. You can get the watch list for swing. You can get the watch list for day trading. That's a typo there. And the custom RSI and the SPX ticks, you can get it individually as well. If you don't want the whole thing, you just want this, you can get this. And so these are lifetime licenses, prices here. Then we also have our specials for our trade alert services. So the swing is right now $49 a month. You have a 6 month and you have an annual, which is all of these are till November 30th, and then after December 1st, they go up a little bit for both the swing signals as well as the day trading. And then finally, we have all the options modules, the education part, and these are lifetime licenses, and so you can pick up these also at some of the best prices we've ever offered, really. The all of the 6 months and annual, please use our PayPal. If you can go to PayPal, and our PayPal email address is info@optiontiger.com. And once you make that payment, just send us an email at the same email and let us know what you purchased, and we'll add it to your account. If you don't have an account on optiontiger.com, you can open a free account on optiontiger.com, and you'll be able to you can just I think join free now. You can just come here and you can join, and you'll be able to we'll be able to add all of these to your account, whatever you purchase. But like I said, your best bet is probably these membership plans, because you're getting a whole lot of things at just one simple monthly price. So you have the silver plan, the gold plan, and all of that. So that's basically it. We just wanted to highlight our Black Friday and Thanksgiving specials on this webinar. You can get all our products at the best prices of the year. Gold plan includes, yes. Gold plan includes everything that the silver plan has. So And then it also includes all the indicators on TradingView. If you want to think or swim, then you'll have to go in for a lifetime license, which also is a very, very good price. It's the best price we've offered. But basically, Gold Plan includes everything, which is the options beginners, intermediate, advanced, mastery, swing trading, day trading, as well as all these indicators. So that is really the Gold Plan. There's an annual price, there's a 6 month price as well. And if you catch it before November 30th, you can get the best prices here. For all of these products, if you catch it by November 30th, it's an early bird special. So that's basically a quick short presentation just explaining our Thanksgiving and Black Friday specials here. We'll take up questions. So here you can see a couple of questions. This watch list is available as on TradingView, yes, and it's available on TradingView for any market you might be. You could be in Europe, or you could be in Asia, or in the US, Canada. It covers all markets. And like I said, you just go to tradingview.com, and actually they have a Black Friday special, I believe. Let me just tradingview.com, and yeah, they have a Black Friday. These prices are very, very good for TradingView. It's going to go on for another 5 days there. So you can pick up a subscription very. I mean, TradingView. You don't need the subscription, but even for the data, they should have a Black Friday special. TradingView platform, you can open a free account, and all of these indicators will go onto the free account, because you're allowed one or two free indicators on TradingView, even with a free account. And so what we have done is we have combined all of these, the MTFT, custom RSI, and the watch list screeners, into one indicator itself. So that's the flexibility we have with TradingView. And of course, on TradingView, you can get a monthly subscription, you can get a 6 month, you can get an annual, or you can even get lifetime licenses here. All of that information is available on this page, Option Tiger. And if you have any questions, you can of course email us at info@optiontiger.com anytime, and we'll be able to respond to your queries. But that's basically the presentation. So I'll just pause it here. Let's see if there are any more questions. If anybody has any questions, please type it into the chat box, and we'll respond to that. So basically, in the day trading service, we do a lot of time decay strategies. As you can imagine, I mean, it's day trading, so you don't plan to hold the trade for more than a day or so. We do take it into the next day. We put our stops and everything, but we also do debit trades, which is a simple long call or a simple bull call spread. But at the very least, I think he would need to be able to do spreads. He may or may not be able to do the more complicated iron condors. That we do primarily on some of the volatile stocks, as well as the SPX. Now, SPX, of course, we know we have options, or rather expiries, on a daily basis. Yeah, we will be selling options most of the time, because it's a day trading service. In the debit trade, if you're going to hold the trade for 3, 4, 5, because in the debit trade you have to wait for the move to happen. So that we do in our swing service, where we pick up trades for which has 30 days, 40 days to expiry, and it may take 2 or 3 days for the trade to develop. But we use all of these indicators. So most of the time, like I said, these indicators are very powerful, and they give you accurate signals. Of course, nothing is a definite of guarantee of what will happen in the market the next minute or the next day. But these indicators give you the best tools and the best analysis for you to take the right trades. Puts the probability, very high probability, to your trade. In the day trading, we do a lot of option selling, but stop losses, definitely we do. Stop losses for swing, not so much is not important like day trading, because for day trades we really don't want it to go against us. So mostly on an SPX iron condor, let's say a $5 spread iron condor, we try to go out as far as possible, try to pick up about anywhere between $1.8 to $2 premium in the next couple of days. Doesn't mean we are going to hold it for till expiry. I think the time decay will start coming in, and probably by the next day we will close the trade. Yeah, check out the sample videos. Similarly, besides the day trading, if you come to the swing trading page over here, you will see the sample trades here as well. So you can see that, and of course, if you go to our YouTube channel, you will see all of these trades right here. And okay, this I think I'm on a wrong account, but basically on our YouTube channel handle is Option Tiger itself. You can just search for Option Tiger, and you will see a lot of sample trades there as well. Okay, so thank you everybody for coming. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@optiontiger.com. And like I said, these specials are some of the best prices. You can pick it up. November 30th is the early bird special, and after that, the prices will go up a little bit. And if you have questions meanwhile, you can send us an email, info@optiontiger.com. Thank you, and this webinar is recorded. We'll be sending out the recording as well. Thanks for coming, everybody. Have a nice day, have a nice week, and the rest of the year. Thank you very much.